Hello and welcome to another video from salesberg.com. Today we are going to be looking at the Razer's Lycosa Mirror Edition, which is also called Special Edition keyboard. Now, Lycosa happens to be one of the best-selling upper range gaming keyboard that there are out there, one of the better ones that you can get. So let's start with the unboxing. Those of you who buy online may get with cardboard box around like that. Remove the plastic covering. The reason for that is in the retail shops they have this on display, which is very nice, I have to say. Razer makes some of the best packaging there is. Now, on the other end, quickly let's take a look at the box. Nicely well printed box with features and so forth listed over here, and as you can see, this one over here. So that's the packaging, that's the keyboard you can see inside. Obviously we'll be having a look at that pretty soon. Now let me grab a knife. Black with black. Cut open the tape over here. Okay. Right. So the side pops out like that after cutting the tape that's over here. I put that down. Okay, there's that little thing you hold, pull. Welcome to the cult of Razer. I like that. Right. Okay, just quickly. Over here on the other side there's some rubber padding to keep the keyboard nice and safe. Let me take out the keyboard. Okay, there's nothing else in this box over here, so I'll put that aside. Okay, underneath we got cables, obviously. Okay, here we go. More things. Over here in the corner, we have, what do we have? Right. It's nice Razer monogram. It says over here, for gamers by gamers. Then next thing, I'm tearing things apart. I like tearing things. Okay. In the inside, what do we have here? Certificate of authenticity. The quick start guide. Master guide. So there's another guide with a disc inside, and again going with the Razer theme. And over here, cleaning fabric. Inside the packet there's a fabric for cleaning. Stickers, product catalog. Obviously we'd have very nice products in there. Mamba, I like Mamba. Kabuto. Okay, that's the product catalog there. Now, let's look at the keyboard. Brilliant shine. That's the first thing that we can see. I'll take off these plastic. There we are. Yeah, absolute brilliant shine, that I have to say. Now, the cable. This cable over here is much more heavy duty. Let me focus that for you. There, as you can see, this is much heavy duty cable than most other keyboards that I've seen. In fact, it's so fat, looks like your refrigerator cable or something. And on the other end, USB connection ports and microphone and headphone, which of course goes over here, so makes it easier for you to connect your USB or headphone, microphone and so forth. Now at the back, it's pretty business as usual. A stand, rubber paddings over here to make it non-slip, sticker, and that's about it. So that's the keyboard for now. Now, next up, I'm gonna connect it up and okay, and we're gonna see how it illuminates and so forth. Okay. Okay, a quick little thing that I wanted to show you with regards to the connectors. On the other side, it's actually engraved. One says port, one says Razer. Now the port, I take it that's for the USB extension from the behind we saw, and that one's for the connectivity of the keyboard. Now let's hook it up and see what it's like. Let's refocus over there. Okay. Righto, it lights up blue. I see in the camera it shows pretty white, but it's actually a shade of blue over here, and it's not overpowering actually, and this is quite nice over here as well. Now in 2 seconds I'll be turn off the light. There we go. With the lights off as well, this is not over bright. It's not hurting the eyes or anything like that. It's not interfering. It's just there, and it's quite nice actually. That was one thing that I was afraid of, that the light would be too strong and it'll glare and so forth. You know, a lot of us use the computer in the dark and dislike shining lights, you know, glaring into your eye and so forth, but no, this will not do that, but it's just nicely glowing there. Okay, lights back on. Okay, so that was the overview of the keyboard. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'll be looking at the software in the next couple of videos and so forth, and also I will be using this keyboard for say about a month or so, and after that I'll bring you my comments about what it is like, I mean life in general with the keyboard. Not so much for gaming, but you know, outside gaming people do have other use for computers. So for non-gaming purposes, what sort of advantages such keyboard can bring, I'll be looking into that and comparing with perhaps another keyboard. So tune in. This was just the unboxing. For more video reviews and unboxing videos, please visit us at www.salesberg.com. See you in the next video. Thank you.